Welcome to Crypto and Stock. My name is Hugo and I'm the host for this channel. I'm so thankful that you are here again watching this video. And if it's your first time, please, if you see value in this video, subscribe because I can bring more videos like this, okay? Today we're gonna talk about my predictions for Tesla stock for 2022. Anytime I'm gonna buy a stock, what do? I go check the balance sheet. I check the history. I check the CEO. I check how many sales and everything that's part of the balance sheet. And of course I check the PE. Wow. Brazilian guy speaking, sometimes I eat my words. The PE on Tesla is over 300. Usually if the stock has a PE like in the 40s and 50s, I don't even look at. But I do buy Tesla at a PE of 300. What am I thinking? Why am I buying a stock with that's overevaluated? You know, it's selling for 300 their value. You buy Tesla not because the Model X, the Model 3, the Model S, the Model Y. You buy Tesla. Tesla is bigger than a car company. Tesla is not just a car company that you're buying. You know, it's not like you're buying Ford, no. Tesla is a car company, a solar energy company, energy storage, automatic factory equipment. There's so much more with Tesla. And what we expect for the next few years in Tesla, you know, this year we're probably gonna start seeing the Cybertruck production starting. We're gonna see the semis. Semi is gonna be huge. I don't even know how it's gonna plays out in this market, but semi is gonna be big. Back in 2017, Elon Musk started talking about the semi trucks and the ranges of 250 miles per charge, and supposedly to start production in 2020. But Elon decided, you know, in 2020 I'm gonna focus even more with everything that happened there. I'm gonna focus on my cars and my sales and work on this that we have right now, and I don't want to have to worry about the battery or the chain supply that's different for the semi. So they postponed for 2022. So we hope to see now. And companies like Pepsi already have a pre-order of 100 trucks. Can you imagine how much money a Pepsi or a Coca-Cola will save money in gas? Wow, it's gonna be huge. This company is gonna make so much money buying the Tesla semi-truck. And as well, Tesla is gonna probably, they already have the automatic cars that mostly work on the freeways. But it's gonna start work on the streets everywhere, because every Tesla that's driving around, you know, and we are talking about over 900,000 cars, are collecting data for this software that they're gonna have for the fully automatic cars, and then you'll save money probably in insurance. I see, if I go to Geico in a year or two, they're gonna look like, oh, what car you have? Oh, you have a Camry. So you pay $1,000 insurance. Or you have a Tesla, you have the fully automated service. It's a safer car. Oh, so you pay 700, 600, something like that. And that's me speculating about prices on insurance. But I do see that in the future, fully automated cars is going to be cheaper insurance than the regular car. You know, you buy Tesla. Tesla has so much growth opportunities, you know, plenty of growth opportunity in the next few years, especially with a CEO like Elon Musk. You know, the way I see Elon Musk is how I see Steve Jobs for Mac. You know, it's a visionary. His mind doesn't work right now. He's like 10 years ahead of my mind, and that's gonna bring Tesla so much more benefits. It's incredible. Why people buy Tesla? They don't buy Tesla for the car. They buy for the experience. Jim Cramer was telling about a story with his wife, and when they drove on the Tesla, and it's a totally different experience. that's why I like. Last month I went to the mall here, and they have a Tesla store, and the guy like, hey, you want to do test drive? I like, no, because if I buy if I do a test drive, I want to buy a Tesla. I know I'm gonna love that car. You know, I have a hybrid Camry, and I love when there's no noise, so quiet. It's like, it's amazing. If you have a chance to drive electrical car or a partial electrical like a hybrid, you see it feels really good to not have the engine running all the time. Last year Tesla sold 936,000 cars. That's amazing. Q4 was like out of the world. They beat the expectation that was in a high 200,000 cars, and they sold over 300,000 cars. Q1 is not going to be different, especially like Q1 is not be a fact for the German and the Texas factor, but Q3, Q4, you know, they're going to have the ability to make, like each factory makes can go up to 500,000 cars. So they're going to have a million more cars opportunities than they had last year, you know. So my prediction for 2022 car sales, not sales, it will be between 1.3 and 1.5 million Tesla sold. I think in December, if we go back to this video, we're gonna see that Tesla has sold about 1.5 million cars. That's what my bullish expectation on Tesla sales. So now let's talk about Cathy Wood. She's the CEO and CIO of ARK Investment. She's one of the most bullish persons in Tesla sales, and she's talking about this Tesla share price goes to 3,000. Let me play this video. Let's watch that together.
Elon Musk and Tesla. So there is a point that you would get out. I know there's a story you've talked about. You put a mark on the stock price. I think it was 3,000.
Yeah, 3,000 is our base case, not our bull case, but our base case.
Okay.
Well, I do agree with her. I think Tesla stocks will raise, and it might have a split, but it will raise, doesn't matter what. And now let me play a really quick video about how she expects that like most of the companies that she owns like triple in a few years, and she expects that Tesla will quadruple 4 times of their share price today.
So there is a point where you could say, okay, I'm moving on. You've gotten out of Apple.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, these are backward-looking companies or technologies that you don't think are, or not necessarily?
Not necessarily. They are very well understood. Their dynamics are well understood. They are the FANGs.
Right.
They're well owned. And we just want our clients to be exposed to the next FANGs, which are not going to be in the FANG category, but the next FANGs. And Tesla's becoming a FANG. You know, I think it will end up in that grouping at some point. So yeah, we would sell. So our minimum hurdle rate of return expectation for a stock is 15% at an annualized rate over 5 years. So a doubling over 5 years. Tesla is about nearly a quadrupling over 5 years, so well within our range. So, you know, we have been taking profits, and that's because Tesla in here, I think it's becoming very obvious now that electric vehicles are taking massive share from traditional gas-powered vehicles.
Tesla's chart prediction there, and of course there's some people are bullish, some people are bear towards Tesla. And it's up to you what you believe. What you believe, that's all that matters. The other reason that I believe Tesla stock's going to raise as well is because, you know, there's a study where it shows why EV cars is going to take over 50% of the sales in the next year or two.
The consumer is thinking about his or her next purchase. Is it going to be gas-powered or electric? And we believe that electric vehicle sales will be up more than 50% this year, perhaps much more than 50%. and that's a global number, while traditional auto sales are basically flat. It seems like they're going to be up very slightly, if at all, on an average annual basis.
And I do believe between EVs and hybrids, that's gonna be why you gonna drive a car like I have a Camry. I drive a lot. I drive about 40,000 miles a year, do my my work. And if I had a regular car, I would be so much more in gas. I have a Toyota Camry hybrid that is really fuel efficient. It gives me about 50 miles per gallon, and I save a lot. If you ask me why I don't have a Tesla, it is on my plans for the future. Okay. So my stock prediction for 2022. I think on my bearish prediction is 1500. My bullish prediction for Tesla stock is 1800. I do not think they're gonna hit the 2000 this year. There's a possibility, but I'll say bearish 1500, bullish 1800. It will peak maybe 2000 and drop a little bit, do a little correction, but that's what. So if you buy Tesla stock today, that's around $1,000. You know, if you can get 50% on your investment, that's great. But don't buy a stock because I'm telling. I'm not a financial advisor, so before buying a stock, follow up with a financial advisor or a professional analyst, whatever you want to look for. Don't buy a stock because I'm telling you. Buy a stock because you believe it. And how Warren Buffett said once, don't buy the stock because it's a good price. Buy the stock because you believe in the company. Okay? I hope you guys have a great day. It's a quick video. I'm tired this morning. I've been working a lot between YouTube and my nursing job. If you see any value in this video, please subscribe so you can see more videos like this, okay? Thank you so much. Don't forget to smash the like button. So don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the content of this video, and put comments down below. Let me know what's your prediction for 2022. What other EV companies would you like me to make a video about, okay? Thank you so much. Have a great day.